Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to sound like GUNNA. I'm Annie and I'm upload a video for a pound click. It's my music channel. So let's start. The first here is my audio track. Here is my audio track and here is the instrumental. I muted because I want to show you the first how it's look before how to say making that sound nice. Saldo days, cash every day, I got your hermes, I love that blaze, the shit on my pad, the conto a cage, I did it success, I get late, my jacket of white, don't mean it's beige, I clean up real nice, I don't get a maid. Yeah, so the first step we need to do is to go to effects, and to effects find auto tune, and here are what you need to make on auto tune. So input type it's alto tenor, tracking 50, K A minor, and rhythm speed is 9. You can do it and 10 or 11, but is better 9. Humanize it's 21, and this look at the other things. So we saw Saldo days, cash every day, I got your hermes, I love that blaze, the shit on my pad, the conto a cage, I did it success, I get late, my jacket of white, don't mean it's beige, I clean up real nice, I don't get a maid. So now we click apply. Okay, close. And we need to go to equalizer. Effect, where is equalizer? Okay. First we need to take 100 AC rumble. Click OK. Go to effect again, to equalizer, and take treble boost, but I have ready so it's unnamed. You need to click to treble boost and make this like me, like what I've done, and click OK. So now we need to go to a compressor. Compressor will make our voice sound hard, or look, it's changed a little bit. Saldo days, cash every day, I got your hermes, I love that beret. So I think we need to slow down here. We will check later. Now we need to go to spitfish. Where is that? Blockfish, not, we don't need it. Floorfish, we don't need it. Let's go to spitfish. Okay, I find it. Spitfish de-easer. Now you need to take it to a 3 here, you look that. Click soft and the depth. We need to be here. So sorry for my language. So, sorry for my English language. So here, click apply, and this not last step. We need to go to reverb. Reverb it's here, and you need to make this like what I've done. Room size 70, pre-delay 0, reverb range 64, damping 0, tone low 12, tone high 0, wet gain minus 13, dry gain 0, and stir width 100. Click OK, and the last step we need, and I love it, that step, it's too easy to make it. So go to limiter here, you take to a hard limit, limit to TB4 -4, and hold 10. You can make it. So you need to go here. We need to listen how it sound now. Saldo days, cash every day, I got your hermes, I love that blaze, the shit on my pad, the conto a cage, I did it success, I get late, my jacket of white, don't mean it's beige, I clean up real nice, I don't get a maid. So we need to, let's go there. Okay, listen here. Saldo days, cash every day, I got your hermes, I love that blaze, the shit on my pad, the conto a cage, I did it success, I get late, my jacket of white, don't mean it's beige, I clean up real nice, I don't get a maid. I think it's so beautiful now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. If you want more video like this, I will tell you more tutorials. This is my first tutorial how to sound. Just comment what the singer you want. English singer, I can do another language. So bye bye, see you on the next video.